Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog ramps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lesure Dog Stairs. For pet owners seeking an affordable yet effective dog ramp, the Lesure Dog Ramp is a great budget pick because it delivers where it counts: safety, portability, and ease of use. The foam helps cushion joints, while the non-slip bottom means it won't slide around on hardwood or tile surfaces. The ramp is available in multiple heights, allowing pet owners to choose the right size for their specific furniture. Whether you have a low-profile couch or a tall bed, there is a size option that will ensure your dog can easily reach their favorite resting spot. It's available in 6 neutral colorways, including dark gray, light gray, black, brown, navy, and beige. Of course, as with most budget-friendly options, there are a few limitations, such as accommodating a lower maximum weight limit. Additionally, while a material is durable enough for light to moderate use, it may not offer the longevity of premium models designed with reinforced structures or heavy-duty materials. Moving on. At number 4, we have the WeatherTech PetRamp. Considering WeatherTech is known for its automotive accessories, it makes sense that the brand also makes an excellent dog ramp with car-friendly features. Constructed from high-grade, molded resin, it is designed to handle up to 300 pounds. So whether you have a small dog or a larger breed, it can support them without bending or bowing. Weighing just 16 pounds and featuring a hinge for more compact storage, it's a great option for frequent travelers who need a ramp they can set up quickly when on the go and store in the back seat or trunk without taking up much space. The ramp also has a molded-in traction pattern designed to prevent slipping, even in wet conditions. This makes it especially useful when your dog is entering or exiting the car after a swim or during rainy weather. And at 67 inches long, it's particularly suited for car use. The ramp provides a gentle incline, even to get into and out of truck beds or tall SUVs, that reduces strain on your dog's joints. At number 3, we have the PetSafe Happy Ride Compact Telescoping Dog Ramp. While all dogs could benefit from the use of a dog ramp, large and giant breeds are especially in need, says Dr. Bonk. Every jump off a couch or into a car stresses the joints in a dog's hips, back, and legs, potentially speeding up joint degradation that can lead to pain and inflammation as a dog gets older. When it comes to large dog breeds, though, finding a reliable ramp can be a challenge. Many of them have weight limits that aren't suitable for big pups. That's not a problem here, as the PetSafe ramp can hold up to 400 pounds. Another standout feature is its adjustable telescoping length. The ramp can extend from 39 to 72 inches, offering flexibility for different vehicles, whether you're loading your dog into an SUV, truck, or even a minivan. The telescoping mechanism is smooth and locks securely into place, so you don't have to worry about the ramp slipping or collapsing mid-use. At number 2, we have the DoggoRamps Large Bed Ramp. If you have a dog who's especially unsteady on their feet, you may want to consider a ramp built with side rails for additional safety. This one is built specifically with bigger dogs in mind, supporting up to 200 pounds, so it's suitable for most breeds. The wide base and sturdy solid wood construction ensure stability even for the largest canines. This ramp can be adjusted to suit beds of various heights, ensuring a gentle incline for dogs with arthritis or joint issues, and it has a landing platform at the top, making it easier for your pup to step off of it. And while many other dog ramps have a utilitarian look, the DoggoRamps model doesn't compromise on style. It's also available in a range of neutral finishes, so chances are you'll be able to find one that matches your home decor. And finally, at number 1, we have the Carlson 39.5 Indoor Pet Ramp. Designed for indoor use, the height of this ramp can easily be adjusted to 12, 16, 20, or 24 inches, making it a versatile option for whatever piece of furniture you're working with. At only 9 pounds and with a length of just under 40 inches, it's also easy to move around the home as needed. A favorite of Forbes vetted managing editor Emmy Favilla, this ramp accommodates her 55-pound arthritic senior American bully quite well, allowing her to easily get up to and off of the bed. It is held up nicely and with no issues after nearly a year and a half of regular use. Rubber feet keep the ramp in place and carpeting provides sufficient traction. Note, however, that it supports up to only 80 pounds, so this ramp may not be suitable for particularly large dogs. It's available in a neutral white and gray colorway that should work well with your existing decor to boot. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.